So in this video, I'm going to explain what groups are in Salesforce. Before we start, let's understand what groups are in Salesforce. Groups in Salesforce are simply a collection of users or roles that make work easier. Instead of sharing records or assigning tasks to individual users one by one, groups allow us to manage access in a structured and efficient way. Think of a real company where there are multiple teams such as sales, marketing, and finance. Each team has many users. Instead of handling each users separately, we combine all users of one team into a single group. That group represents the team, and this is exactly how groups function in Salesforce. In Salesforce, there are two main types of groups. Public groups are the most commonly used and can include users, roles, and roles with subordinates. These are mainly used for sharing records, reports, dashboards, and sending emails. The second type is special groups, also known as queues, which are mainly used to assign records like leads, cases, and certain custom objects records. Groups are important because they make record sharing easier, improve security management, save time, and work smoothly with flows and automation. Instead of repeating the same setup again and again, groups help keep everything organized and scalable. Now let's understand this with a real-time example. Imagine you have multiple account records and you want to share those accounts with your sales team. To do this, the first step is to create a group and then use that group inside a sharing rule so the sales team get access. Before creating any group, we need to check the organization-wide default settings. Go to Setup, search for Sharing Settings, and check whether the account object is set to private or public. Groups and sharing rules are required only when the object is private. If the object is public, there is no need to create groups for sharing. In this case, the account object is private, so we can proceed. Next, go to Setup and search for public groups. Click on New, give the group a label such as Sales Team Group, and the group name will be created automatically. Then, add members to the group by selecting users or roles. Here, we add the sales team roles and save the group. At this point, the public group is ready. After the group is created, go back to Sharing Settings and scroll down to Account Sharing Rules. Since we want to share account records, create a new sharing rule. Give the rule a name. Select the rule type based on record owner and choose which account records should be shared. Now, select the public group we created, which is the sales team group, and decide the level of access. You can give read-only access or read and write access. In this case, we give read and write access so the sales team can view, edit, and create account records. Save the rule, and the sharing rule is successfully created. Finally, we test whether the setup is working by logging in as a sales user. Even though the account object is private, the sales user can now see all shared account records, edit them, and create new accounts because of the group and sharing rule. This is how groups help control record access in Salesforce in a simple and effective way.